Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a repair project on a screened enclosure. We're going to actually repair this screen right here, that screen panel. It's a nice size little screen area. This is our rental property here in Florida, and I think the landscaper hit it with the weed whacker there. So we're going to replace that one panel. I purchased this rescreening kit on Amazon. It even comes with a tool, and it comes with the spline, but this is round spline. So I've got my own spline, and this is that flat concave spline. We're going to be using that, and then it comes with screening, 48 by 84 inch fiberglass screen mesh. The links will be down below. Stay tuned, we'll get started. I'm going to hold the screen up here before I even remove the other one, and I'm going to leave about 2 to 3 inches on each edge. Hold this up here about 3 inches there, and then I'm going to come down, cut this. A lot of times you don't even have to squeeze your scissors together. You can just ride it on down. So we'll make our vertical cut. And our cut across the bottom. Okay. I just made a marker cut in there, and then I'm going to cut straight across. Okay, you can remove that. Now we've got our screen panel, about 3 inches extra on every side. Now we can go ahead and take a small screwdriver and take out this spline here. And sometimes you might need a pair of pliers to grab a hold of it. Pull that right out. And that's all the way around the edge. So I really need a smaller screwdriver. Let's see. Once you get it started out like that, you can just grab it with a pair of pliers and pull. Other edge. And the bottom. You know what I'm going to do? Go ahead. Pull this out. Alright, now we got a little bit of our bead still left in here. The screen just ripped out, so we'll get that out next. Alright guys, I got my screen out. Now I'm going to take my spline and just measure this across. Just hold it up. It can be a couple inches over. Go ahead and cut. I'm going to do this, match it up and do the same size for the bottom. And cut there. We got 2 top and bottom now. And now we're going to do our longer up and down sides, verticals. Then again, for the other side, we'll just match this up. match that up. That'll be the same length. And go ahead and cut it. All right, we've got our 4 pieces now, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start on the top part, all right? What I like to do is tape it up with some masking tape. That way, if you're working alone, you've got both hands. All right, guys, now that we have it taped up with some masking tape, it's holding itself. We've ran our tool into the groove to create our trap. And we're gonna take our flat spline. Remember, it's flat on one side, rounded on the other. Now the rounded side is gonna be facing out toward us. So the flat side goes in first. And if we're at the top here, the screen, you're gonna wanna tuck down into the part of the screen window area first, because that's got like a little groove in there. And the top part is gonna be just a straight edge. So you're gonna start it, try to get it in there, into that groove, and then you're gonna take your tool and run it along and get it all in there. So, rounded side out. Just take your time. See, we've got it started there. Take your time and just go with the flow, little by little. You don't want to puncture your new screen. So you get to the end like that, and then you want to just roll over it again just to be sure that it's all tucked in there. Firmly but slowly. Now we'll start, we're going to go down the first vertical section here. So I'm going to take my tool and go ahead and create my edge or my groove. Okay. Just kind of make sure it's squared up, but we'll get to stretching it after we get the second vertical run done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on it. All right, now that's not vertical. Here's my longest one, my vertical. So rounded side facing you. Take your tool, get up there close, and use slow motion putting it in to get it started. All right, guys, we got 2 sides done. Now we're going to get to stretching it as we do the other sides. So I'm going to go over here and do this other vertical edge down, and I'm going to try to pull it as I'm making my groove. Okay. Oh shoot. That one doesn't want to stay, so I'm going to go ahead. All right. tugging as I roll down. And we're in there, guys. Last spot, this bottom. We'll pull down tight as we run this tool in there with our spline. Alright guys, that's all 4 sides. Take a pair of scissors and cut your corners. Your leaves. Make sure the ends are still in there. I like to make sure I roll the ends in here real good. Okay guys, we're all in there. Now we got to cut. This tool I have has a built-in utility knife to make your final cut on the screen. I just go right on the outside of the bead. Right on the outside of the bead. That's my camera, girl. Huh? You gotta point it what I'm doing.
I know, I am. It is pointed.
Okay. So
You're
just
not
cut
all
right
the
on
way down at the bottom.
So just cut right on the outside of the bead there and run your utility knife right along here. I don't know if you got a good angle. Alright guys. Remove your tape. Guys, we got it. That took about 15-20 minutes. Got a nice clean look there. Look at that. Nice clean look. Nice and tight too. You can play the drums on this thing. Alright guys, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments about my procedures, let me know in the comment section. I'm sure all of you could probably do better than me, but I just wanted to get you started on a project like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Now what's the vibe? Is it party time? Wanna move my feet?